In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Airbnb Philippines. First, open Airbnb in your browser or launch the Airbnb app on your phone. Log into your account so you can see accurate prices, availability, and your saved details. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for a place in the Philippines. Type your destination, then pick the check-in date, the checkout date, and set the number of guests. These details help show the correct nightly rate, cleaning fees, and any applicable taxes for your exact stay. When you've found a place you like, select Reserve or Book. Depending on the listing, this might confirm instantly or send a booking request to the host. If it's an instant booking, you'll go straight to the payment screen. If it's a request, you'll complete payment once the host accepts. Take a moment to glance at the price breakdown and the cancellation policy before you move forward so there are no surprises later. On the payment screen, choose how you want to pay. In the Philippines, Airbnb commonly accepts credit cards and debit cards, GCash linked cards, PayPal and Apple Pay or Google Pay on supported devices. Some listings may also offer pay part now, part later, or reserve now, pay later. These options can help you split your payment or delay it, but make sure to check the schedule and any terms so you know when future charges will happen. If you're paying by card, you'll be asked to enter your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code. Add your billing information exactly as it appears on your statement to avoid verification issues. Names and addresses that match what your bank has on file usually lead to smoother approvals. After that, review your details and select Confirm and Pay. Depending on your bank, you may need to complete a quick security step, like entering a one-time password to finish the transaction. Once your payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation on screen and in your account, and you'll receive a receipt by email. If your card is billed in a different currency, your bank may convert the amount from Philippine pesos and could charge a small foreign transaction fee, so it helps to check your card's terms in advance. If a payment doesn't go through, double check the card details, available funds, and that your device supports your chosen method. That's it. Open Airbnb, log in, search, set your dates and guests, select Reserve or Book, choose your payment method, enter your details, and confirm and pay. Enjoy your trip.